Good afternoon, I'm Sid Kupon reporting news from around the world. Isang araw lang para sa kalikasan is a UNTV advocacy to make an impact in people's view and perspective about the environment. The campaign was created from the belief that every good cause a person will make for the benefit of the earth starts from one day. A part of this advocacy is a project called Add a Tree Project, a global tree planting drive that aims to restore a greener earth starting from 50,000 fruit-bearing seedlings, and it kicked off last October 10, 2010. As of December 2009, United Nations Environment Program has recorded more than 7.4 billion trees planted under its The Plant for the Planet Billion Tree Campaign. According to UNEP, this continuing campaign is expected to make an important contribution to the planet's biodiversity as it celebrates 2010 as the International Year of Biodiversity. In cooperation with the Department of Natural Resources or DENR, the tree planting activity took effect for 3 years. 1 hectare of land per region was given to UNTV by DENR to conduct this project. Using its news bureaus in regional areas in the Philippines, UNTV organized volunteers to this project with more than 50,000 seedlings planted at different DENR-authorized areas. After the planting session, volunteers will aid in the continuous nurturing of the seedlings until the trees are ready to live on their own. Until next time, I'm Sid Kupon reporting news from around the world.